to Single Vowel Sounds 3. This is the last of the single vowel sounds, and we're going to finish it by learning 4 new sounds. Those sounds are A, R, Alright, so let's break each sound down and learn how to pronounce it clearly. Alright, so the first sound is A. Okay, one more time. A. Now watch the mouth. A. The top lip is tight against your front teeth. A. And the bottom of your mouth drops down a little. Okay, so A. The tongue moves down to the bottom of the mouth and gently presses against the bottom back of your teeth. A. Okay, the tongue is flat and spread throughout the whole part of your mouth. A. Okay, let's practice. A. 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 Alright, good. Let's move on to the next sound. Alright, now this next sound is Okay, one more time. Now let's focus on the mouth. Okay, the mouth kind of just hangs open. Okay, not tight, you're not stretching the mouth, just hang open. Okay, a short breath of air comes through the throat. Okay, the tongue is resting at the bottom of the mouth. Okay, you're not pressing, you're just resting the tongue at the bottom. Now let's practice. Alright, let's do the next sound. Alright, now the next sound is Ah. Okay, one more time. Ah. Now focus on the mouth. Ah. Okay? The mouth is open equally on both sides. Ah. Okay, the tongue is resting down towards the bottom of the mouth. Ah. Okay? Ah. Let's practice. Ah. 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 Alright, good job. Now let's do the last sound. Alright, now this sound is Okay, one more time. Now for this sound, watch the mouth. Okay? It opens just a little, the lips come together. Okay? And the tongue drops down to the bottom of the mouth. The front of the tongue, okay? The front of the tongue rests against the teeth. The back of the tongue is going to raise a little and fill out the back of your mouth. Okay? Now let's practice this sound. Alright, now let's try and use these sounds in some words. Alright, so now that we can make the sounds, let's put them in some words. So, for the sound A, we can find it in words like hat. For the sound we can find it in words such as up. For the sound ah. We find it in words like far. And for the sound we found it in words like on. Okay? Now, I'm going to say each word slowly. Try and say it with me and repeat it clearly. Here we go. Hat. Up. Far. On. Hat. Up. Far. On. Hat. Up. Far. On. Hat. Up. Far. On. Alright, good. Now once you get the hang of that, let's try and practice it in a sentence. Alright, so now that we can make the sounds and we can use them in words, let's try and make a sentence and say it fluently and clearly. Here we go. The hat is far up on it. The hat is far up on it. The hat is far up on it. Okay? Now a little faster. The hat is far up on it. The hat is far up on it. The hat is far up on it. Alright, now a little more natural. The hat is far up on it. 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 Alright, good job.